Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. This is part of my Lentils 101 series, and today we're going to talk about how to prepare and cook your lentils. To see all of my notes on Lentils 101, visit my blog site. The link is below in the description box. Now, how do we go about preparing lentils? First of all, you do not need to soak them. They do not need that. They cook up very easily and very quickly. That's unusual in the bean and legume family. But you do want to get the amount of lentils out that you want to cook and just sort through them. Just pick through them a little bit just to make sure that there's nothing foreign in there. It would be rare to find anything like that in lentils, but it's not impossible. And you don't want to be cooking up a stone or something like that and then chomping on that later on. It might do some damage into your teeth. So you want to look for anything like that, sort through it, doesn't take long. Put them in a strainer, give them a quick rinse under some cold running water, and allow them to drain just briefly, and they are ready to be cooked. You want 1 part of lentils to 3 parts of liquid, whether it's water or broth or whatever you're cooking them in. 1 part lentils to 3 parts of liquid. And most of the time you can just put the lentils right in the pot of cold water and allow them to come to a boil, cover them up, and then reduce the heat on the stove and allow it to simmer for the appropriate amount of time. One source I saw said it makes them more digestible if you bring the water to a boil first, then add your lentils. Once it comes to a boil, cover it and reduce the heat to simmer, and then cook them for however long. Now, the brown and the green lentils cook up in about 30 minutes or so, somewhere in there. You want to watch them and allow them to cook to the degree of tenderness that you want, roughly 30 minutes. The yellow and the red lentils cook up faster. They will cook in 15 to 20 minutes or so, and they will be very soft because they're typically used in soups, a creamy kind of soup. Your black lentils will take longer to cook, up to about 45 minutes or so to cook, and they'll maintain their shape very, very well. So I hope this helps and gives you some basis on how to cook your lentils. If you have any questions, let me know. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye-bye.